students, I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Dear students, in the previous video we done exercise 5.2 from question number 1 to question number 4. In this video we will start our exercise from question number 5. Here we have find the number of right angles. In this we have to find the number of right angles turned through by the hour hand of a clock when it goes from 3 to 6. When the hour hand moves from 3 to 6, we have to find out how many right angles are there. As we know that if there is an angle of 90 degree, then 90 degree cover 15 minutes. So here we have 5, 10, then 15. So here we have number of right angles, that is 1. Now next we have from 2 to 8. Now here it starts from 2 and stops at A. Now we have to find how many right angles. So here the total minutes covered are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. If one right angle covers 15 minutes, if one right angle covers 15 minutes, then 2 right angles cover 30 minutes, then 3 right angles cover 45 minutes, and 4 right angles cover 60 minutes. 1 right angle cover 15 minutes, 2 right angle cover 30 minutes, 3 right angle cover 45 minutes, and 4 right angles cover 60 minutes. And here we have 30 minutes, so the number of right angles are 2. Again I am repeating, if we have one right angle, then 15 minutes covered. If we have 2 right angle, then 30 minutes covered. If we have 3 right angles, then 45 minutes covered. If we have 4 right angles, then we have 60 minutes covered. Now next we have C part. Here we have to move from 5 to 11 like this. So here we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 30 minutes covered. So how many right angles? 2. Means a straight angle covers 2 right angles. So here we have number of right angles is equals to 2. Then we have from 10 to 1. So this is the direction, and here minutes covered are 5, 10, 15. So 15 minutes covered means number of right angles are 1. Number of right angles is equals to 1. Now next we have E part 12. We have to start from 12, then it stops at 9. So how many minutes covered? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. And if 45 minutes covered, it means how many right angles? 3 right angles. This is your first right angle, second right angle, third right angle. So here number of right angles is equals to 3. Then next we have 12 to 6 like this. So this is the direction. Here again we have a straight angle, so it means it includes 2 right angle, or we can say that 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 30 minutes covered, so we can say that number of right angles is equals to 2. Now next we have question number 6, and in question number 6 also we have to find out right angles. How many right angles do you make if you start facing south and turn clockwise to west? So here I have to draw the directions: north, south, west, east, and here we have to move clockwise from south and turn clockwise to west. And here we have only one right angle, so this is only one right angle. number of right angles is equals to 1. Now next we have B part. Now just make the directions first. North, south, west, east. You have to start from north and turn anti-clockwise to east, as this is north, and clockwise in this way, anti-clockwise in opposite way, anti-clockwise to east. Now how many right angles? 1, 2, 3 right angles. So in this case we have number of right angles is equals to 3. Now next we have C part. We have to start from west, so make the directions first. North, south, west, east. We have to start from west and turn to west, and in this case clockwise or anti-clockwise nothing is written. We have to start from west and turn to west, means complete revolution. If I move like this, now complete revolution, complete turn, and here we have number of right angles. Number of right angles is equals to 4. If no given to you whether it is clockwise or anti-clockwise, and we know that it starts from west and turn to west, so it means it is a complete revolution. So it's up to you. You can move clockwise also or anti-clockwise also. Then next we have to start from south, north, south, west, east, and turn to north. And again in this case nothing is given clockwise or anti-clockwise, so we will do clockwise. So we will start from south and turn to north. So here number of right angles are 2. You can clockwise as well as anti-clockwise. So next we have question number 7. Question number 7 is, where will the hour hand of a clock stop if it starts from 6? If it starts from 6 and turns through one right angle. One right angle means 15 minutes covered. So clockwise revolution is there, then it goes to 7, then 8, then 9. So here it stops at 9. It stops at 9 because after 15 minutes it stops at 9. Then we have from 8 and turn through 2 right angles. It starts from 8 and turn 2 right angles. 2 right angles means 30 minutes covered. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So it stops at 2. So I will write it stops at 2. Now next we have C part. C part is, it starts from 10. So here it starts from 10 and turns through 3 right angles. 3 right angle means 45 minutes covered. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So it stops at 7. It stops at 7. Now next is from 7. It have to starts from 7 and turns through 2 straight angles. Now here we have 2 straight angles. Now as we know that one straight angle means 180 degree. One straight angle means 180 degree. So 2 straight angles means 2 multiplied by 180, that is 360 degree, means complete turn. So if it starts from 7, it reaches at 7. This is the complete turn. So it will stops at 7. Stops at 7. So this is all with exercise 5.2, and your homework is you have to complete your exercise. Take care everybody.